Hi, Siraj Dawar here. Hope you're fine and doing well. If you love this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Let's start. On this video I'm going to expose you men how you may make $100 in line with day on YouTube without owning a YouTube channel. So you do not need to vary on YouTube channel. You don't want to make any videos. You do not need any subscribers. You don't need anything related to YouTube and its miles. Now, not that smooth as it sounds, however, I'm going to show you guys on this video a way to do it step by way of step. So ensure to observe this video till quit so you can find out. So earlier than we soar straight into this video, make sure to press that subscribe button due to the fact we launch day by day movies on this channel on the way to make money on YouTube, the way to make money online, so that you don't need to overlook that out. So ensure to press that subscribe button so allows bounce instantly into this video men. So first component that you want to do is you need to sign up for Amazon affiliate and clickbank. So essentially these are two associate platforms which might be going to permit you to promote merchandise online without certainly proudly owning them. So simply to present you guys an instance, this product right here at expenses $37. However, if a person buys this product through your associate link, you can earn 75 of sales. So which means from this product you will earn $26. So I am going to reveal you guys step by means of step how to do it, and I'm going to provide an explanation for you guys. So these are the two matters which you need to signal up for, that is clickbank and Amazon. So Amazon affiliate is sort of the same thing, however with a lower fee. So the cause why its miles worldwide commission is due to the fact you are no longer selling digital products, you are promoting physical merchandise. So let's assume you sell a digital camera. Its miles a $1,000 camera and you sell it for a fee. So someone buys in your affiliate link, you'll earn $100. So that is round 10%. I assume it is not 10% on electronics. I think it's miles 7%, but allows say you are going to earn from $1,000 digital camera $70 profit. So what you need to do is you are going to and Google clickbank and you will type in Google Amazon associate, so that you can right here see you'll join up at no cost. So you don't want to worry about paying up the front for whatever this is honestly unfastened. So you do not want any funding for this to be achieved. Additionally, for clickbank, simply click on create account and it can be accomplished. You may create your account in less than 5 minutes. So next component that you want to do is you need to find a product that you would like to sell. So I'm going to showcase some of the examples that we've accomplished. However, earlier than we try this, simply to show you men an example. So if we click on associate market, you may see that has the same opinion. So there are a lot of categories proper right here that you can choose to sell. So shall we embrace? We are going to stick with health and health. So the reason why is this is one of the largest niches within the global. So different humans are trying to find the ways to lose weight, so you can assist them lose weight. You may promote in this program and you learn $37.73 income commission. So that is your common in step with sales. So 78%, in reality 37 greenbacks. This product fees as an example $47. So you're going to earn 78% of that sale. That is really loads of cash. In case you suppose approximately it you learned whilst someone pays for this program $47, you are going to earn nearly $38. That is virtually loopy, and that is lots of cash. However, the reason why that the cause why they paid this excessive is due to the fact that is virtual product, so that they don't have any fees of distribution, they have no charges of building the product. So that is simply a digital product, and this is why this common in line with sale is so excessive. Once more, allows see an instance on Amazon. So let's have a look at a few random product I'm going to expose you guys. So let's examine if we sell allows say this product right here. This product fees $125. So without a doubt, if you sell this product you would earn around 7%. That's around, let's say, 10 or $15. I don't want to calculate proper now, however I suppose it is round 15 greenbacks, so from $10 to $15 consistent with sale on this product. All right here, so how can you do it on YouTube? So I'm going to show you men step by step. So just to give you men an instance, right here is one of the films. The video is ready, the way to lose weight. So this is some life story of this lady, how she misplaced 92 kilos, and here are her weight reduction images earlier than and after. So right here you can see there are a variety of human beings liking this video. They have got constructed a few connection, and maximum importantly, this video has nearly 3 million views. So this is absolutely numerous views, and just believe people which might be looking this kind of movies, they need to certainly learn how they are able to lose weight so that you can help them with the aid of locating the proper product on ClickBank. And the maximum critical element is you to do your studies. You need to test out a number of this product earlier than you sell, due to the fact you want to definitely help the clients. You don't want simply to sell the product, you need to clearly help the customers. So you can see those product is how a person misplaced 84 pounds of fat, and simply this isn't enough. You want to head deeper, you want to touch the owner and see if this product is in reality an amazing product. And in case you discover that this product should in reality help humans, then you definitely need to sell this product. And additionally, the manner to see this product is certainly accurate. Simply, if this product isn't always properly, gravity would be very low. Shall we embrace 1 or 2? However, you can see gravity for this product is certainly truly excessive. See right here, you may see 218, 211, sorry. So the purpose why gravity is so excessive is due to the fact plenty of humans are absolutely promoting this product. So if they may be simply promoting this product, meaning that a lot of human beings are getting sales with this product, and this product really helps people. So that you can touch here the owner of the product, and you may ask Dan for brief get entry to for the product, and to see if this product is best for the human beings which can be searching how to lose weight. So shall we say this product is best for our 92-pound transformation films. So here you may see right here is affiliate link for the product. This is not certainly the product that I've proven you guys. This is not this product, but this is some random ClickBank product, and this is associate link. So whilst a person buys this product, well, this link that she is going to earn a commission. So which means that once a person in this hyperlink and that they see page like this, and if they absolutely click on a buy button, you'll get 37 greenbacks and 73 cents, and the proprietor of the product could get around $10. So all people might be glad. The proprietor of the product might get a consumer, and you'll get your percentage of the sale. So how you could do it, and the cause why I'm display you guys is because we have contacted a number of the proprietors of those YouTube channels, and we have asked them to sell our affiliate link due to the fact loads of people do not know approximately affiliate advertising, and we're in reality paying them to submit this hyperlink. So you do not want to pay prematurely if you do not need to, but numerous people would like upfront money. So you can ask for example some of the owners of these channels. You could ask them if they need to promote your product, your affiliate hyperlink, and in case you get a sale, you will get them 50% fee on that. So let's assume you'll get in this product $37 and $38 as an instance, and also you can agree on 50% fee with the proprietor of the product, with the owner of this YouTube channel, and you would get $19. You will give her $19, and all of us could be happy. So I'm going to also display you men how you may search for those YouTube channels, due to the fact there are heaps and tons of YouTube channels like this. You do not really monetize their YouTube channels with associate advertising. So just consider to nearly 3 million humans looking this video. So whilst a person watch this video, they may be likely going to be interested by how to shed pounds, and indeed via the product. Just consider, let's consider 1% of those kind of humans bought the product, so they may be to be round shall we embrace 28,000 humans, so 28,000 humans times $19 in keeping with sale. That might be over, I do not know. 400,000 bucks, however, simply to give you guys some attitude on how plenty money you may get with affiliate marketing. So that is again second example of the product. You can see those are all affiliate links. So basically she is talking approximately a way to shed pounds, and people which are looking again for those form of videos are going to be interested in how to lose weight. And if you recommend a few product and with associate hyperlink in description, you would get a fee. So that is also an example of woodworking. So just to reveal you guys a woodworking product only. Second, you could see, I assume it's far somewhere around here. I did not know why I cannot locate it proper now. As an example, that is a few woodworking products, so that you may genuinely see that this product is going to be round woodworking. And what you want to do is you want to once more touch the proprietor of this YouTube channel and ask them to promote your affiliate link again. How you could monetize. You do not need just monetize with ClickBank. You want to locate some related merchandise on Amazon additionally. So you can see, just to show you guys an instance, you could see this man is selling additionally a few Amazon merchandise. So if we click in this hyperlink right here, we're going to see this product, and the maximum crucial part, approximately associate advertising on Amazon in the event that they purchase this product and in the event that they purchase something else. Additionally, on Amazon you will make a commission in this product right here and on the next product that they bought. So let's say they offered TVs and this product right here, so that you would make round, shall we say, 4 greenbacks for this product proper right here, but they offered, shall we say, TV and let's say a laptop or something like that, that fees $2,000. However, you'll make around 180 bucks fee additionally on that. So this is the first class thing, approximately associate advertising and marketing on Amazon. Additionally, to display you guys of weight loss. So right here you can see these are all associate hyperlinks, and you may see you can in weight loss you could promote some supplements. So if we click once more in this affiliate link, you can see he's promoting this complement right here. So you can discover anything in the video that is related to, you can find any product that related to the video, and you may absolutely submit affiliate hyperlink in these videos that have quite a few perspectives. So the most vital part is how you are going to look for those type of videos, and that is also a woodworking example. So if you could see, these are all affiliate links of Amazon, and right here you can see this might be some ClickBank product. So how you could see a search for these YouTube channels and a way to do it so it is clearly clean, guys. Just move on YouTube and type weight loss as an example. Subsequent thing which you want to do is you want to click on filter out, and shall we say we're going to look for the motion pictures in this month. Again, we are going to press on clear out here. You may see we are looking for this month of the upload date kind video, and we want to look for will be counted. So here you could see these are some of the films which have some that are likely approximately weight loss. So here you see a way to slow down for weight loss. So this might be some prank. So permits click on as an example on this video proper right here. So the truth, approximately my weight loss. So if we click on show greater, you could see there are not any ClickBank products or Amazon products in description. So what you may do is you may click on the owner on the channel, and you can click on approximately, and you may click on view email deal with. So essentially you are going to get their commercial enterprise electronic mail cope with, and you are going to ship them in mail on if they want to promote your product, if they need to something, if they surely want to promote your ClickBank links or Amazon hyperlinks, and you'll pay them prematurely. So shall we embrace, you can say, that is just an example. I don't even understand. However, let's say you are going to ask them if they want to promote your associate hyperlink, if they want to promote the product that you have got, and that they simply need to put affiliate hyperlink in description of the vintage video, and you'll pay them for instance honey bucks. But if we study this YouTube channel that I've located, So if she has virtually 4.6 million subscribers, so you want to look for smaller YouTube channels you do not need to search for whatever over, let's say, 500,000 subscribers. This is in reality massive YouTube channel, so you want to pay her a number of money for this type of merchandising. So if we search, for instance, this channel proper here, she has 136,000, but you can see we have already contacted her now, not in reality me, but someone had touched her, and he or she they presented her to submit Amazon affiliate links in description. So while someone buys this product, they may be going to get commission, and she goes to get paid for promoting their affiliate hyperlinks. So the maximum crucial part, approximately this technique, it is not that smooth as it sounds, due to the fact it's miles genuinely hard to find human beings which might be going to promote. So shall we embrace from 10 humans, you are going to discover one character this is going to agree for your advertising. So this is why are they speaking about you could actually make a number of money with this approach. However, it is not that easy to locate the proper man or woman, the individual that goes to sincerely promote your product, your associate links. So how to get associate hyperlinks on click? It's far genuinely smooth. Simply click on promote, and you will, when you create your ClickBank account, you're going to get your account identification. So you are going to say you are going to write your account identity, and you're going to click on generate hoplink. So essentially this is your unique hyperlink. While a person clicks in your link simply to provide you with guys an instance. So we're going to click on our associate link, so they may be going to be sent to this web page, and when they right now buy this product, so if you could see if they certainly purchase this product, you'll get a 75, or I suppose it is 75% fee on the sale. So this product value $37, so that you will make around, let's consider 26 or 7 or maybe 25 greenbacks in keeping with sales. So that is how you could make money on YouTube without even posting videos in your very own YouTube channel, without creating audience. And again, this isn't always that clean of a method, as it requires a few abilities of communicate with the person who owned the channel, so that you want to talk with them and you want to agree on how you have to pay them for the advertising. So it is not that clean. However, it isn't always also that tough. I have performed this usually inside the Beyond, and it became very worthwhile for me. So that you don't want to simply make $100 in keeping with day, you can truly make $1,000 in line with day with this method. So man, if you need to look